2027 Highlander will have a battery electric powertrain standard and be available in two grades, the well-appointed XLE or the top-of-the-line Limited. The XLE grade will be available in front or electronic all-wheel drive, FWD or AWD. XLE FWD models will have a 77.0 kWh battery. Standard XLE AWD models will have a choice of 77.0 kWh or 95.8 kWh battery. The Limited grade will have AWD and 95.8 kWh battery. Standard AWD-equipped models will also have features like multi-terrain select and crawl control. All grades will have the latest in safety and entertainment, with Toyota Safety Sense 4.0, TSS 4.0, and Toyota Audio Multimedia, standard, designed to provide a comfortable space for the whole crew. The 2027 Highlander has a spacious interior with 3-row seating for up to 7 when equipped with an available bench seat. Its cabin has an elevated feel, with standard Softex trimmed seating, soft touch materials on the dash and doors, and customizable interior lighting to set the mood. Heated front seats come standard, with ventilated front seats and heated second-row seats available. When extra space is required, the third row folds flat for a rear cargo area with more than 45 cubic feet of storage. At the forefront of technology, the new Highlander can also serve as a mobile power source with vehicle-to-load (V2L) technology, a first for a Toyota model sold in the United States. This technology can potentially power appliances, like at a tailgate party, or serve as a power backup at home in case of an outage. It also complements Toyota's Charge Assist and ECO charge features, which are designed to give Highlander the capability to charge during lower rate times or when energy may be created from renewable resources. Additional details on these capabilities and accessories will be available at a later date.